Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Guys, today I'm gonna make a quick meal. I am hungry now. I'm gonna send my belly a ball for some steamed fish and crackers. And guys, right over here me have a Jamaican Excelsior water crackers, and me have some parrot fish. I cut off the tail because I don't like too much tail. And what I seasoned it already, guys, and I let it set for a few hours. I put some blended seasoning in it, my garlic, my pimento, my thyme, my scallion, my onion, and this is preserved with some vinegar. And I add some black pepper right there, and here I have some fish seasoning, and I'm gonna add some coconut oil to my pot right now, guys. Oops, oh dear. Let's turn on the stove, and I'm gonna add some coconut oil to the pot. No butter, just some good old Jamaican coconut oil. Real and natural. And here I have some onions and garlic, and I'm gonna add some coconut oil to my pan, not too much, that will do. I'm gonna put my onions and my garlic to burn. It gives that flavor. Nothing too fancy around here. This is just a 1, 2, 3 homemade meal, steamed fish. All right, let me get a fork, and you want to saute that a little bit, okay guys? Guys, you see all the flavor in it now? It's smelling good, yes. Turn over the big boy there. Alright guys, you see when this saute somewhat, I'm gonna go in with my yummy fish, and I'm gonna just set them in the pot. One down, one up. I think that's how it goes. I hope it can hold. I'm gonna put one right here. Yes. I'm gonna put all the seasoning in it, and I'm just gonna cover that just for a minute while I prepare my other ingredients. All right, now guys, over here I have 1 carrot, 1 red bell pepper, a little bit of green bell pepper, and some yellow bell pepper. I'm gonna wash all of this, cut them up, and then I'm gonna come right back. I wash my carrots and I cut them up in small pieces, and some yellow bell pepper, red, green, and I have 1 stalk of scallion there. Guys, you can put thyme in it, but I already put all scallion and thyme and everything in this one here, so I don't need it right now. I'm gonna put all of my vegetable in, everything. This is why you call it steamed fish. Look how colorful and nice, guys. Wow. Lots of colors. And I'm gonna go in. I beat my scallion or green onion, however you want to call it. Just fold it and just set it right in the middle. If you have some fresh thyme, you can put it in, but I already have it in my blended seasoning. So the next thing I'm gonna add to my steamed fish is this Grace coconut cream. I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup, just like that. I'm gonna add 2 Maggi stalks. You can add some cock soup if you want. Guys, you don't need to put no salt because enough salt in the seasoning. And then guys, I'm gonna go on in with 1 cup of boiling water. If you have a Scotch bonnet pepper, you can put it in it. All right, cover it now, guys, and we're gonna let it simmer or steam. All right, and I'll come right back. All right, guys, we're back, and that's how it's looking. Now I have some Excelsior water crackers over here, and I'm just gonna put just a few in it, not too much. So it can suck up some of the niceness. You can put more or less, depends on your choice. Depending on your choice. I think that's it. Let's put 2 more. All right. So guys, I put the crackers on top so it can suck up some of the gravy, and it's gonna be yummy and delicious. All right, I'm gonna just steam this or cover this back for 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna dish some out and I'm gonna show you. This is quick and easy, and this is the final result. My good Jamaican homemade steamed fish with some good Excelsior water crackers right there. Yes, my peeps, easy as 1, 2, 3. You can put some hot pepper in it, yes, to make it spicy and nice. All right, my peeps, this is the final result again, and you can garnish it with lemon or lime, whatever you like. Okay, so guys, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. Look how yummy and nice, guys. I'm gonna dive right in. Yes, it's so colorful and yummy. All right, my peeps, I'm gonna take care of yourself now. All right, sooner or later, me gone. Bye. One love, guys, and be blessed.